Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Line Dance by Riffclown. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have 4 kinds of lines in the grid, each following their own rules. So the green line is a German whisper line. That means that as we move along the line, the digits have a difference of at least 3. So if this was, say, a 2, this could be a 5 or a 6, which would have a difference of at least 3. This couldn't be, for example, a 4, because 4 minus 2 is only 2, not 3. And we do that along the entire line. So if this was 5, from the 5, we might go down to 1, for example. And we're comparing this pairing now, and then we'd compare this pairing, etc. The purple line is a renban. So renbans have a non-repeating consecutive set of digits in any order. So what does that mean? Well, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be an example of a non-repeating set of consecutive digits. We can put those in any order. So we could go say like that. This has 2, 3, 4, 5 on it. So that's valid. What I can't do is say 1, 3, 4, 5, right? This doesn't work because 1, 3, 4, 5 isn't a consecutive set. All right, we have this thermo in the grid. Thermos start at the bulb and they work their way forward and they just get bigger. They don't stay the same, they don't get smaller, just the digits get bigger as you move along them. And finally, we have this region sum line. So these 3 digits sum to the same as this digit. Basically, within the same box, the sum is the same on the line. So you look at the cells that the line occupies within each box, and you sum them up, and within each box, the sum is the same. All right, so those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, well, I think an obvious place to start is that this blue line can only be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3 is the minimum these 3 cells could be, and 6 is the max this cell could be, and we need the sums to be the same. That does allow us to fill 4, 5, 6 here. I think I'm also just going to fill this thermo. So if we work our way backwards, 6, 5, 4, 3, and we ignore the red for a second, that means we have 2 degrees of freedom. That means we can add 2 more digits to this. 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. So this is the penciling for it initially. But this 5 stays here. So this can't be 5, and now we work our way down, removing 4 and 3 that are no longer possible. Okay. So maybe now we want to think about this renban. If the renban has a 5 on it, the 5 is here. Interesting. So it could either be 1, 2, 3, 4, or it has a 5 on it, which is here. So this can't be 5 or 6. This is from 1, 2, 3, 4. So is this. 5's over here, which means 5's over here. So this can't be 5, actually. Because this 5 looked down, and this box needs a 5, so that was here, and that put a 5 over here. So this can't be a 5. So this is a 4, 5, 6 triple. So the 5 is here, which means it's not here. Oh, right. Sorry, the 4, 5, 6 triple means this can't be a 5. So this is the 5. So these are from 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that makes sense. 4 is up here. Is there more I can do with that? Not sure. Okay, this can't be 6, because if this was 6, we'd need a 5 on the renban, but we wouldn't be able to put a 5 anywhere. So this is not 6, which means 6 is over here. It's not immediately obvious what to do next. Oh, 6 in this column. Because this can't be, we had this 4, 5, 6 triple, which took 6 out of here, and the thermo takes the 6 out of here. So 6 in this column can only be exactly here. So there is a 6 on this thermo, which makes this a 5. That makes that a 5. And then now these have to be a 3, 4 pair on the thermo, which means that this is a 1, 2 pair. So that places the 4 in the column. We had the corner marks there. So that's a 4, that's a 3. This is not 5, so that makes this a 5. Now I have a 1, 2 pair here, placing this 3. That makes this 4 and 6. That makes this 4 and 6. That's not a 3. That's not a 3. That places this 6. So we know 6 is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, because we have to subtract at least 3 from 6. So that brings it down to at least 3. And then from the 1, 2, 3, the smallest it could be is 1. And so the smallest this could be is 4. But it can't be 5 or 6. So that places the 4, which does force this to be 1 by the German whisper. We can resolve these. Okay, this is good stuff. We need this 3 here. Oops. This needs to be 1, 2, 4. So this is the only place for 4. This needs to be 2 or 3. It can't be 3, so it's 2 and 3 like that. All right, this is 1 or 2, but it can't be 2. So 1, 2, 2, 1. All right, looks like we're finishing up. This is 2 and, no, this is 4 and 1. So they go like that. We need a 5 and we need a 3, and then here we need a 6. There we go. All right, well, cool puzzle, Riffclown. I think you did a good job of making it obvious which line to look at next, which was neat. I like how 6 got restricted in this column. I feel like that was a really important spot. It felt like there wasn't anything to do until I saw this 6, and then the rest just kind of finished itself. So pretty neat. And the reason this had to be 6, again, was because we ended up with a 4, 5, 6 triple down here. So this couldn't be a 6. And then this could never have been a 6 because of the thermo. So without the thermo here, we wouldn't have been able to put the 6 here. So that's neat. All right, well, thanks again. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.